Peel garlic in seconds with this hack. If you don't have the right type of tray, this is the perfect solution for transporting cupcakes safely. Difficult to open? A few taps with a knife and… there! Open! Don't do this. Use a steel wool sponge. Much better. Don't know how to store open spaghetti? You can join two Ziploc bags together. Perfect. Bottle caps can be very useful in the kitchen. Always keep a few around. Can't find the end of a saran wrap roll? Rub it with a ball of aluminum foil and you'll find the end right away. With this hack, you'll be able to get parchment paper to fit any type of baking tin. Wow, it looks almost custom-made! Did you know that the best way to defrost meat is to wrap it in newspaper? The lid won't come off? Here's a solution for easy refilling. Now you can use the dispenser again. Oh no! Use two cake slicers to serve a perfect slice of cake. This is the best way to reheat pizza. It will become soft and tasty. Try this smart double knot.